Hi everyone! So first off, I'm gonna be introducing myself. My name is Jasmine A. Bareling, your cutest mentor for today. This video contains a discussion about nature, goals and perspective of anthropology, sociology, and political science. So without further ado, let's get started! Let's start with the definition of anthropology. It came from the Greek words anthropos, which means man, and logos, which means study. Therefore, anthropology is all about the scientific study of a man, or what we call the science of humanity. The nature of anthropology can be viewed from its historical perspective because it is a global discipline involving humanities, social sciences, and natural sciences. Archaeology is the study of past cultures. Archaeologists are interested in how people of the past lived, worked, traded with others, moved across the landscape, and what they believed. Some archaeologists specialized in identifying plant and animal remains. In North America, anthropology is defined as a discipline comprising 4 fields that focus on separate but interrelated subjects. The subjects are archaeology, biological anthropology or physical anthropology, linguistic anthropology, and cultural or social anthropology. Let's get into the goals of anthropology, or the scientific study of humanity. One of the main goals of an anthropologist is to understand the fossil record of early humans and their ancestors, as well as the archaeological record of more recent prehistoric societies. Second is to understand how we adapt to different environmental conditions and how we vary as a species. Third is to understand the behavior of monkeys and apes in their natural settings. Fourth is to learn about both the biological and cultural aspects of humanity around the globe and throughout time. And lastly is to apply anthropological knowledge to help prevent or solve problems of living peoples, including poverty, drug abuse, and HIV or AIDS. Now, let's talk about its perspectives. The key anthropological viewpoints are holism or comprehensive quality, cultural relativism, comparison or correlation, and fieldwork, or what we call hands-on work. There are likewise both logical and humanistic propensities inside the discipline that now and again struggle with each other. Next, are you familiar with the word sociology? Yes, you're right. It is the scientific study of human society and social behavior. Sociology is a discipline in social sciences concerned with human society and human social activities. Commonly accepted definition of sociology agree that it is the scientific or systematic study of human society. The focus is on understanding and explaining, and ranges from the individual and social interaction to groups, to societies and global social processes. As a discipline, sociology arose early in the 19th century in response to rapid social change. Major transformations in the 18th and 19th centuries, such as rapid industrialization resulting in a large, anonymous workforce. A French social thinker, Auguste Comte, in 1798 to 1857, first coined the term sociology to describe a new way of thinking about societies as systems governed by principles of organization and change. Next, we're going to be talking about goals of sociology. So, first is to understand how membership in one social group affects individual behavior. Second is to understand the meaning and consequences of modernity, postmodernity, and the new globalization. We have number 3, understand how cultures and institutions interact in different societies. Fourth is to understand the causes and consequences of social change in terms of general causes and effects, as well as unique historical circumstances. In number 5, we have understand the causes and consequences of population composition and pressures and how population affects the environment and development of societies. And lastly, to provide information that reflects upon different policy initiatives. Moving on, let us now talk about the perspective of sociology. Sociology likewise assists us with understanding ourselves better. Without the sociological perspective, which has been known as the sociological imagination, individuals see the world through the restricted insight of a little circle of family, companions, and colleagues. The sociological imagination permits us to stand separated intellectually from our restricted insight and see the connection between private concerns and social issues. It grants us to follow the connection between the patterns and events of our own and the patterns and events of our society. Now, what is political science? Political science is the study of the nature, causes, and consequences of collective decisions and actions taken by groups of people embedded in cultures and institutions that structure power and authority. In other words, political science is a social science discipline that deals with system of governance and the analysis of political activities, political thoughts, associated constitutions, and political behavior. Let me take you to the nature of political science. Politics is not only a mere institution of governance but also a mechanism for achieving societal goals. Nature of political science is a social science concerned with the theory and practice of politics and the description and analysis of political systems and political behavior. Political science is thus a study of the state in the past, present, and future of the political organization, political processes, and political functions of political institutions and political theories. Political science has several subfields, including political theory, public policy, national politics, international relations, human rights, environmental politics, and comparative politics. We have this main goal of political science, which is the concern with the process of growth, industrialization, and change, and the impact on government forms and policies. Second is to describe how various political systems function and to find more effective political systems. And in addition, the goal of political science is to measure the success of governance and specific policies by examining many factors, including stability, justice, material wealth, peace, and public health. Let's talk about its perspective. Political science is methodologically diverse and appropriates many methods originating in psychology, social research, and cognitive neuroscience. Approaches include positivism, interpretivism, rational choice theory, behavioralism, structuralism, post-structuralism, realism, institutionalism, and pluralism. As one of the social sciences uses methods and techniques that related to the kind of inquiries sought, primary sources, such as historical documents and official records, secondary sources such as scholarly journal articles, survey research, statistical analysis, case studies, experimental research, and model building. And that's it for today's video. Again, my name is Jasmine Iberlin, hoping that you gain more knowledge and understanding about nature, goals, and perspectives of anthropology, sociology, and political science.